Fred moved through the hospital corridors with a sense of ritual, his decisions precise, and his demeanor strictly professional. With Linda, his wife and partner in planning, he had assembled a life marked by careful choices. They own a modest but beautiful home, cultivated a strong retirement portfolio, and maintained a robust life insurance policy. The couple knew the risks that shadowed Fred's career. His financial profile made him a target for those in search of deep pockets. Fred, Linda, and their attorney reviewed their state's statutory exemptions in detail. They set up their primary residence as their homestead, ensuring it was protected by law. They organized their retirement accounts to take advantage of exemption statutes, double-checking beneficiary designations and titling. Their life insurance, already in Linda's name, was also structured to maximize its protected status. Their shield was a network of legal protections quietly supporting everything they'd built together. The greatest threats, as they would learn, don't always come scrubbed and gloved. Months later, on an unremarkable rainy Tuesday, Fred was driving home from the hospital. He was listening to a podcast when the car in front of him started to pull forward. Fred eased off the brake, his car creeping forward in sync. Then, for reasons known only to the driver ahead, the car ahead abruptly slammed on its brakes. The crash was a minor jolt, a mundane, suburban inconvenience. The police were called, information exchanged, a sigh of relief all around. No one was hurt. That should have been the end. But as Fred exchanged paperwork, the other driver lingered over his credentials, noticing the MD license plate, scanning the veneer of affluence wrapped around Fred's life. Within weeks, the fender bender bloomed into a claim for pain, suffering, lost wages, the works, an aggressive lawsuit seeking the maximum possible payout. The opposing attorney's interest wasn't cars, it was assets. The discovery phase became a treasure hunt. Fred's home address pinged through records. His retirement funds and life insurance were scrutinized. Airline miles, golf clubs, anything. The legal inquisition cast a wide net, but their attorney met each inquiry with calm assurance. That's exempt, not accessible, protected by law. Again and again, the statutory exemptions Fred and Linda had stewarded into place deflected each line of attack. Disappointed and boxed in, the creditor's legal team realized that outside of auto liability limits, there was little to pursue. The big fish had built a moat. The suit settled within the bounds of Fred's insurance. Fred and Linda's home and their golden years remained undisturbed. Their safety net had done its quiet work not through secrecy or subterfuge, but through an invisible shield that anyone could, if diligent, create as a matter of public right. Fred sometimes shared this quiet lesson with junior doctors. Asset protection does not require fortune or foreign trusts. It requires knowing your legal landscape and making decisions while there's still time to plan. The chaos stayed ordinary, the legacy endured.